Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, Divi have just released 5 custom WordPress login designs here for you to use, and they're great, really easy to download. If you go halfway down the page, you'll find a little button where you can download them. They will ask you to put your email in if you're not already registered. That's all you have to do. But I noticed from the comments below, a lot of people are a bit confused about how to actually use these or utilize these. So I've got one downloaded right here. Here's my site. And if I go to my WordPress admin to log in, there's one of the custom logins right there. And of course, you've got to put in your username and password. And we can log in. So what I'll do is I'll show you how to download these, install them, build a page and use it for your admin. Now we do have to install a plugin to do this today, but it's a free plugin and I'll take you through that in just a moment. Okay, so once you download the files, you just hit the download button. I'm using Google Chrome, so it's going to download to my desktop here. Once it's downloaded, it's going to download it to a zip file, so you have to extract it. And it'll give you a little folder. Now you can upload all 5 at once by uploading this JSON file, or if you just want to do specific ones, just go into the folder and you can upload the specific ones. And they've got a view of each one here. So let's import one. I'm going to go down to my Divi library. There's the one I imported before, layout 2. I'm going to go to import and export up here. I want to go to import. I'm going to grab number 1 this time. So I've gone into the first folder there. There's the JSON file. I'm simply going to drag it and drop it right there. Or you can hit the choose file button if you prefer and browse to it that way. Now I'm going to hit import. And there we are, it's in our library here. So let's create a new page. And we'll call it whatever it is you want to call your new login page. It really doesn't matter. I'm just going to call my new login because we're going to redirect to this page. I'm going to hit the use Divi builder, obviously. I'm going to choose a pre-made layout. I'm going to go to my saved layouts. And there's layout 1 that we've just imported. Okay, so here's that first layout with the login. Now it's important we need to publish this page and remember what it's called, new dash layout. Okay, well I'm going to go back to my dashboard and I'm going to uninstall a plugin that I've installed to do this, and it's a free plugin. It's called redirection. So I'm going to deactivate and delete. Okay, if I open this site in a new incognito tab without the admin, just copy that link there, we'll start a new incognito tab. So usually to get in there, you just type WP admin to get in. Hit return. And it takes you to the WP login redirect page, which is the normal one where you put your name in. So we'll leave this because we're going to copy this URL in a minute. So I'm going to add a new plugin now. Add new. I'm simply going to type redirect in the search plugins. And there it is, the first one right there, redirection. It's absolutely free. Go ahead and install it. Going to activate it. Okay, and we'll go to settings. Now it asks you to go through a setup, plus there's a little example right here for you to check out. I'm going to go ahead and start setup. I'm not going to check any of these. Have a look for yourself to see if you want any of them. I'm just going to use it for a basic redirect for our login page. And I'm going to hit finish setup. So we're all done. Now we need to add our first redirect. So if we go up here to redirects. Okay, so if we go back to our incognito tab, I'm going to copy this URL here, Control C. We could probably cut it off right there at the question mark after PHP, but I'm going to take the whole thing. We'll go back. I'm going to use that as the source URL, so anytime it lands on that URL, I want it to go to our new page, which is going to be our root right there, our domain name, and it was new login, wasn't it? New dash login. So I'm going to hit add redirect, and it's been added. It's up here. We can go and edit and delete it if we want to. So we can take our domain URL here, and let's start another incognito tab, and let's put WP admin, the usual, after it. And as you can see, it's now redirected to our new login page, and we can log in here. There we go, really easy to do. But like I say, they've got 5 beautiful little creations here for you to use. And you can download them halfway down the page, and obviously I'll put this page link down below for anybody who wants to use it. But I thought I'd make a video about this purely because at the questions at the bottom there was a lot of confusion with people asking how do you actually do it. So that's how you actually use it. Really easy. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.